Hello my friends, now I will show you what problem I have with my Tesla Model Y, and it's this problem with mirrors. I have mirrors, and if I will, it's in automatic mode, one mirror go very good, it's work, but another I will show you, and another you can see that nothing not happened. You can see it, nothing. And how it's happened? I was in a warm garage, and it was so much ice on my car, and I wanted to warm it and delete it, clean my car. And after this warm garage, I went to home, and all was okay. It worked, but in the next day when I wanted to use car, I found it that only one mirror work. I don't know how it's to say. You understand? It work now, but another mirror, it's not work. And I don't know what problem is it, but I read on one forum, their guys told that Tesla recommend in winter time don't use this option, just not automatic option. I mean, it will be not use this option in winter time. So I don't know. I will try to later. I will try to go to warm garage, and if nothing, if it's not help, I will tell you about it. And I think if it's something broken there, I need to write in Tesla service maybe, but I guess it's not broken. If you have, if you know about it, if you have own Tesla and you know that it's not problem, you can write and tell others, people who watch this video, about your experience. But my experience now, it's not work, but it work again. I show you. So in maybe next video or later, we will try to fix this problem. But now it's work, but right mirror it's not work. And you can get discount if you want to buy new Tesla. You can get discount. I will leave you link, my link for buying new Tesla, and you will get in. If you will buy in Finland, you can get 250 euros discount from price. And also this work around the world. If you buy Tesla, you can get my link, and from this you will get some discount. Maybe in USA it will be not discount. There was maybe there is like free mileage. You can charge on superchargers, Tesla superchargers. You can get free mileage for your Tesla, but of course you will get some pluses from it. So welcome. I will put my link under video and maybe in comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch more about experience of using car in Finland, also in Europe. Bye bye.